Hello, friends. Today we celebrate a day that holds deep significance for every Indian, our Independence Day. It is a day to remember the sacrifice made by countless brave souls who fought tirelessly to secure the freedom we enjoy today. It is a day to reflect on our journey as a nation and we renew our commitment to contributing to its growth and prosperity. As a software testing coach, I often draw parallels between our profession and the broader concept of freedom. In testing, our goal is to ensure that the software we develop is reliable, secure, and free from defect. This process is not just about finding bugs, it's about empowering the software to perform at its best, to deliver value without constraint, and to operate with integrity. In a way, we are guardians of the quality and freedom of the digital world. Similarly, the freedom we celebrate today is not just the absence of operations, it is the presence of opportunity. It is the ability to live with dignity, to dream, to innovate, and to build a future that is better than the past. Just as we test and refine our software, we must also continually test and refine our contribution to society, ensuring that our actions lead to a stronger, more resilient nation. On this 15th of August, let us remember that freedom is both a right and a responsibility. It is our duty to protect it, to nurture it, and to pass it on to the future generation in a state that is even better than how we inherited it. In our professional lives, let us strive to uphold the highest standard, ensuring that the products we work on embody the principle of quality, reliability, and trustworthiness. In our personal lives, let us be vigilant citizens contributing to the nation's progress in whatever way we can. Let us also take a moment to acknowledge the technological advancement that have empowered us to connect, collaborate, and create on a global scale. The software we develop and test is the testament to the innovative spirit that has always been a part of our nation's identity. As we move forward, let us harness this spirit to drive positive change, not just in the digital world, but in every aspect of our lives. As we celebrate this Independence Day, let us commit ourselves to the ideals of freedom, equality, and justice. Let us be proud of our heritage, confident in our abilities, and optimistic about our future. And just as we work diligently to eliminate defects in our software, let us also work to eliminate the challenges and the obstacles that hinder our nation's progress. Jai Hind.